Let us start the new topic, nucleus. To save our time and the data, I wrote it on the board. See, nucleus. It has a double layered covering known as nuclear membrane. Nucleus is found like suppose this is the cell and this is the nucleus, and surrounding it nuclear membrane is also there. So double layer covering known as nuclear membrane. It has also selectively permeable membrane so that it allows the transfer of material from inside to outside, outside to inside. Here inside and outside means from cell to nucleus, nucleus to cell only. Okay, it contains mainly chromosomes. Chromosomes, it is just like this rod shaped structure, but it can be seen only when there is a cell division. So during cell division, the total organelle vanishes and only chromosome and nucleus come up. Okay, and at that time with the help of microscope you can see chromosome. Otherwise we cannot see chromosome. Means chromosome it can be seen during only cell division. Chromosomes contain what? It contains DNA on it. DNA is what? Deoxyribonucleic acid, which transfer the inheritance material from one generation to the another generation. Means you are just like your mom and dad, your mom and dad just like your grandparents, and so on. This DNA is called the print of our body, our structure, our behavior, our height, our color, our hair pattern, our eye color, our skin luster, etc. That you will learn in 10th standard. Chromosomes are composed of what? It is made up of DNA and protein material inside it, and the functional segments of DNA which contain DNA, and the functional working segment of the DNA is known as genes. Generally in common language we say that DNA means genes. That's for understanding it is good, but you have to understand that DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, and whatever functional in it, whatever active in it is known as genes. So nucleus plays an important role for cell division, and cell division is known as cell reproduction. Means one cell converts into two cell, two converts into four. This is called reproduction of cell. Means this is the cell division. So nucleus, the main important task of nucleus is to cell reproduction and to control the activity of cell, mainly two. In some organism like bacteria, there is a lack of nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is not found in some organism like bacteria. So such type of undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid, undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid is known as nucleoid. Nucleoid is found only in primitive cells like bacteria, virus, etc. Okay, which contain only nucleic acid, whereas in multicellular animals just like us there is no nucleoid, remember. So this type of cells are known as prokaryotes. Here pro means primitive and karyot means nucleus. So the cells which contain primitive nucleus is known as prokaryotes. Organism with cell having nuclear membrane, they are advanced. If they are advanced, then it is known as eukaryotes. Eu means advanced and karyot means nucleus. So they are called eukaryotes. And the last topic is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is what? In the cell, this is plasma membrane or cell membrane. This is nucleus. Nucleus also contain a double layer structure, means nuclear membrane is also there. Okay, inside nucleolus, not nucleoid, nucleolus is there. Inside chromosomes are there. Okay, but here in the nucleus, a base material just like water or jelly-like substance, jelly-like fluid is known as cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm, the different organelles float. We will learn later. This different organelles are found in this cytoplasm. That's why we said that it is the base material. This is also the base material for cell. All metabolism reaction, all reaction takes place inside this cytoplasm. So containing fluid and jelly-like material, and different cell organelles floats in it and perform the different function. So this is the base material. Okay, now we are going to learn about cell organelles in deep study. Half lesson is finished. The remaining few topics are left. So note down this nucleus and cytoplasm. And in your textbook, exactly page number 63, open your textbook and see page number 63. Small difference is given. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells difference, you know that pro means primitive and eu means advanced. Some blanks are given in this difference. You have to fill up this blank. The first point is very simple, that size. I have a textbook, not exactly, but I have a textbook in my another phone, that is PDF file. So size in prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 micrometer. It is said as micrometer. Relation is also given that 1 micrometer is 10⁻⁻⁶ meter. Means size is generally small in prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell size is generally large, 5 to 100 micrometer. Second point is nuclear region. Blanks are given in prokaryotic cell. Write down. Nuclear region is undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid. This is the genetic material, which is known as nucleoid. Undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acid, the genetic material, is called nucleoid. Opposite eukaryotic cell, the second point is given, that nuclear region well defined and surrounded by nuclear membrane. Third point, in prokaryotic cell, chromosome is single given, whereas in eukaryotic cell more than one chromosome is also given. The last 4 point, in prokaryotic cell, membrane bound cell organelles absent, whereas in opposite side eukaryotic cell, the number 4 point is blank. You have to write it. Write that membrane bound cell organelles present. Here absent, opposite side present. So this is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Note down again. We will meet in another lecture. That's it.